In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Insightly. Exporting your data is really useful if you want to analyze it in a spreadsheet, share it with your team, create backups, or move it into another tool. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clean CSV file out of Insightly. First, start by logging into your Insightly account and looking at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll see all of your main objects, like contacts, organizations, opportunities, and so on. Go ahead and click on the object you want to export. For example, if you want a list of your customers or leads, you'd choose Contacts. If you're more interested in your sales pipeline, you might choose Opportunities. The export will only include the object you've selected, so make sure you're in the right place before you move on. Once you're on that object's main list view, you'll see a table of records with checkboxes on the left. At the very top of that column, there's a single checkbox that lets you select all the records currently shown in your view. Click that top box to select all. If you don't want to export everything, this is a good time to apply filters first, such as a date range or status, so that only the records you care about are included. After filtering, when you click the top checkbox, it will select all of the filtered records instead of your entire database for that object. With your records selected, look toward the top of the page for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that icon to open a small menu of actions you can perform on the selected records. In that menu, choose the option labeled Export to CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a very common file format that opens easily in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and many other systems. After you select Export to CSV, Insightly won't immediately download the file in your browser. Instead, it will generate the export in the background and send you a link via email. Give it a moment, then open your email inbox associated with your Insightly account. Look for a message from Insightly about your data export. Inside that email, you'll find a link. Click that link to download your CSV file directly to your computer. From there, you can open it in your favorite spreadsheet tool, save it as a backup, or import it into another platform. And that's all there is to it. Select your object, select your records, export to CSV, and download from your email.